Traditional mop wringing can mean bending, twisting, and touching more dirty water than necessary. The O-Cedar EasyWring pairs a microfiber mop with a foot pedal spin bucket. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. Pressing the pedal spins the mop head inside the wringer, so the user can control how much water remains without squeezing the fibers by hand. A splash guard helps keep water inside during wringing and transport. The triangular microfiber head rotates to reach corners, baseboards, and under furniture. O-Cedar lists it as safe for sealed hard floors including finished wood, laminate, tile, vinyl, and linoleum. The telescoping handle adjusts to roughly 4 feet, and the reusable microfiber head can be machine washed. The listing recommends replacing a worn refill periodically for consistent performance. The package includes the bucket, adjustable handle, and one mop head. The maker advises avoiding bleach and fabric softener on the microfiber. The limitation is bucket size and manual workflow. The system still requires filling, carrying, emptying, and drying, and the single-tank design does not separate clean water from dirty water. Overall, the EasyWring fits households wanting hands-free moisture control and a washable mop head for sealed hard floors. Buyers wanting clean and dirty water separation should consider a dual-tank system.